The main thing that I want to convey in the industry is that there's a lot of misinformation that is spewed out either by competition or people who really don't understand these biologics, what they can and can't do. So one of the reasons we have these training is to not only educate the attendees that come in, but also to produce educational content for our providers nationwide and also for patient education. For instance, that's why we created the Stem Cell Masterclass.
I actually just got a procedure done myself, which was microneedling facial with PRP in addition to exosomes, and it felt great. My face felt tighter. I could see the difference. It was tangible. It was a pretty great experience overall.
So it's been a really great experience. I've learned a lot of new techniques and a lot of the science behind stem cells and better understanding of the stem cell technology. I wasn't aware of a lot of what was out there.
Looked in the internet and evaluated a lot of the companies that were advertising. I think this was ideally the best, and I would have to say I would recommend it to anyone that wants to learn how to do stem cell therapy.
This experience was pretty phenomenal. We learned a lot. We just opened a wellness center recently, and we're going to be opening our doors very shortly, but we wanted to learn different modalities, and over here the stem cells, in addition to PRP, were a phenomenal feature that we could add to our practice.
There's no one else out there. There's a lot of imitators, but no one's been able to duplicate the experience and what we bring to the table, so to speak, with our network to the providers that we care deeply about.